Okay, we have a great show with hot rods, muscle cars, wild girls, and wheelies. There's a 1931 Ford 5-window coupe, and the gal's name is Rachel. Here's an awesome female in a 1950 Chevrolet. Here's a wild girl in a 1933 Ford, which is a showstopper. Here's a cute hottie in a 1933 Plymouth hot rod coupe. Here's a luscious gal in a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Here's a wild thing in a 1967 Chevy Nova wagon. Jag Coughlin Jr. owns it. Here's a beautiful female in a 1970 to 1973 Chevy Camaro doing a wheelie. Here's a wild chick in a 1972 Buick Riviera. An awesome female in a 1975 to 1977 Chrysler Centura, a 7-second 6-cylinder Hemi. Okay, that's all she wrote there. At the end of the show. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Have a good evening.